Hello everyone, all in RC Just wanted to do a little shout out. Got an unboxing to do for y'all today. I want to give a little shout out to Brent at Adventure Time RC. So please check his channel out. He does some cool stuff. Send me some stickers. Right there. Another one. Another one that was in there. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna get them on my sticker board after I do this little unboxing for everybody. So here we go. There it is. Put the light on for y'all. Got that in the mail the other day. It's not this one right here that's on the box. Little Wltoys. You can get it from other people too. And the bad boy right there. Pretty awesome. You see, I'm gonna show y'all. It's 4-wheel drive. Ready to run. 112. 2.4 gigahertz. Says it does 50 kilometers an hour. Let's get this thing out the box. She is. This is the way. That's the little truck. I already took it out the box, man. Just want to show y'all. That's the little truck right there. Pretty neat. And bad. I already messed with this. The springs, tighten them up. The shocks. Nice little truck. Really awesome. And you know me, I'm gonna put a light kit on it. So some little tires on it, nice little tires. A little grippy. Cool. Can't wait to run it. Also comes with a little wall charger right here. Y'all can see that. There's a little tire tool. Take your tires off. You can see it. A little screwdriver. That's it for that. It comes with the remote. It's your steering trim at the top. And you got your throttle trim right here at the bottom. It takes 4 AA batteries. Not a bad little remote. I like it. Small so you can control it with one hand. There's a little phone on the controller right there. Not too bad. I call it my little Baja truck because I don't know, it's got so many different names on it. Lacrosse and Power Ready and Hobby Power. I just call it my little Baja truck. I love it. It's got that wide look on it. Awesome. And y'all know me. I have to put more power to it, so Now we're gonna come sooner or later. Just wanted to give y'all a little quick update on what I got coming. Nice little truck. With good suspension on it, man. You can twist and turns all kind of ways. And it's got little LED lights already on in it, right here in the front. These two right here, they work, so that's pretty cool that they included that. And I'm gonna put some tail lights and headlights and all that on it. Just want to do a quick little unboxing for y'all. Next video I'm gonna have it all apart. Check all my other stuff out and make sure it's got grease in there before I run it too much. And these axles sometimes they come without grease in it, or just a little bit. And I ordered some other parts already for it. I put me the aluminum drive shaft in the back and the steering arms in the front. And that hasn't gotten here yet. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show y'all that. I'm gonna put my little stickers on the board. Put me one of them. So here you go, Brent. Adventure Time RC. Let's see. I'm gonna put you. Put you right there. There you go, buddy. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate the stickers. And that's about it, y'all. Just want to show y'all my little truck I got in for right now. I'm doing some little upgrades on it. Do another video, running video, and all that. Alright. Next time I'm gonna take the cab off and show y'all the insides and what I've done and all that good stuff. So that's it for now. Wltoys Duke. I appreciate everybody. Please like, subscribe if y'all can. Give me a thumbs up. Wltoys Duke out.